I got many change or I got much change. Kailan nga ba dapat gamitin ang much and many? Yan ang pag-aaralan natin sa video natin ngayon. Hello! I am Teacher Aubrey and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, I offer here video lessons for you to improve your English speaking, writing, and communication skills. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, iniimbitahan kita na maging bahagi ng ating YouTube online community of learners. Simple lamang ang gagawin. You just have to click the subscribe button below and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll always get notified every time I will upload new videos. Much versus many. Ano nga ba ang pagkakapareho at pagkakaiba nila? Kapag sinabi nating much at many, in the English language, they are considered as determiners. Tinatawag po silang determiners or in Filipino, mga pantukoy. Sila ay magkapareho lamang ang kahulugan. Nangangahulugan na a lot of, in great quantities, and a great amount. O sa madaling salita, nangangahulugang marami ang bilang. Magkapareho lamang sila ng kahulugan, pero magkaiba ang gamit nila. Alamin natin kung paano. Unahin natin ang much. This determiner much means a large amount of something. O sa simpleng salita, it means marami ang bilang o marami. At ginagamit natin ang much kapag ang tutukuyin nating marami ang bilang ay ang mga uncountable nouns. O kapag sinabi nating uncountable nouns, sila yung mga pangalan o nouns na hindi natin kayang bilangin. Opo, hindi kayang bilangin. Ano ang mga halimbawa nila? We have tea or tsaa, sugar o asukal, water or tubig, air o hangin, at rice o mga butil ng bigas. Ano pang ibang halimbawa? We have knowledge o kaalaman. We have beauty or kagandahan. We have anger o galit. We have love or pag-ibig. We have fear o takot. We also have money o pera. At iba pang mga kahalintulad nila na hindi natin kayang bilangin. Kapag ginagamit natin ang determiner na much, ang atin pong noun or subject ay palaging singular in number o palaging singular ang bilang. Hindi maaaring maging plural. Tingnan natin itong mga halimbawang pangungusap. How much cheese is left? I got much change. How much effort does it take? Don't spend too much time on the internet. How much farther to walk? How much homework must I do? There is much concern about drug addiction here in the Philippines. How much milk is in the bottle? Is there much unemployment in the area? Again, these are the examples of much in a sentence. Now, I want you to try to use this determiner much on your own sentence. Make sure to use them in uncountable nouns or those nouns that cannot be counted. Much is often preceded by so, to, or as in affirmative sentences, o nangangahulugan na ang salitang much ay karaniwang nauuna sa kanya ang mga salitang so, to, or as kapag ang pangungusap ay positive sentence. Ang tatlong salita na iyon, ang so and to and as, sila ay ginagamit to intensify the determiner much o para mas mapasidhi yung kahulugan ng salitang much o marami. Ano ang mga halimbawa? Tingnan natin ito. They got too much trouble. You put too much sugar in the coffee. I have so much to do. Ngayon naman ay pag-aralan natin ang many. Kung ang determiner na much ay ginagamit natin sa mga uncountable noun, iba naman po ang many. Pareho sila ng kahulugan na a large amount of something o marami ang bilang. Pero ang determiner na many ay ginagamit natin para sa mga countable nouns. O kapag sinabi nating countable nouns, sila po yung mga pangalan na kaya nating bilangin. Ano ang mga halimbawa? We have books o mga aklat. We have dogs o mga aso. We have pencils o mga lapis. We have houses o mga bahay. O anumang kahalintulad niyan na mga pangalang kaya nating bilangin. At kapag ginagamit natin ang determiner na many, ginagamit siya lagi sa mga nouns or subjects na plural o palaging plural ang gamit niya sa mga countable nouns. Alamin pa natin sa pamamagitan ng mga halimbawang pangungusap. How many animals are there? How many balls can you carry? Many children get good grades this semester. How many cars can you see? There are many challenges that lie ahead. Again, these are the sentences in which we use the determiner many. Now, I want you to try to use this determiner many on the different countable nouns that you know. Put them on our comment section below. You can use many with non-count nouns. Yes, maaari po nating gamitin ang determiner na many sa mga non-count nouns only if we are pertaining to the different kinds, different types, or measured quantities of something. Ano po ang mga halimbawa? We have, how many blades of grass are there? We use many blades of grass. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin many grass. We have to use blades of grass. Okay? Another example. How many pieces of cake did you eat? Hindi natin sinabing, how many cakes did you eat? Ang ginamit natin ay many pieces of cake. Alright? That's it. And last example is, how many planks of wood are there? How many planks of wood are there? Hindi natin sinabing how many woods are there. Ang sinabi natin ay many planks of wood. That's it. And that is our short lesson about the usage of much and many. At ngayon, para malaman natin kung naintindihan mo sila, sagutan mo ang short quiz natin na ito. Ilagay ang mga sagot mo sa ating comment section sa ibaba. Time is up! Here are the correct answers for our short quiz. Ilan ang nakuha mong tamang sagot? Ilagay ang score sa ating comment section sa ibaba. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Kung marami kang natutunan, huwag kalimutan na mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment, at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And of course, click the notification bell and click all para lagi kang updated every time I upload new videos. At ngayon, batiin natin yung mga nagpapa-shoutout. It's shoutout time! Unahin na natin i-shoutout si John Rev Cabrera. Hello, John Rev Cabrera. Sabi niya pa, shoutout po sa next vlog. Ma'am, bagong subscriber niyo po ako ngayon. Ayan, shoutout sa iyo, John Rev Cabrera. Next naman, i-shoutout natin si Marilu Curan. Hello, Marilu Curan. She is watching from Belgium. Hello, kumusta kayo dyan sa Belgium? Lagi kayong mag-iingat. Next, let us shout out Armando Suaverdes. Hello, Armando Suaverdes. Sabi niya, congrats, idol, sa Bawal Judgmental from Bato, Catanduanes. Hello po, kumusta kayo dyan sa Bato, Catanduanes? Another one, i-shout out natin si Adrian Love TV. Hello sa'yo, Adrian Love TV. Sabi niya, hello ma'am, napanood kita sa Itbulaga. Kaya, nag-subscribe. Kaya, subscribe kita. Ang galing mong magsalita. Wow, thank you so much, Adrian Love TV. And also, shout out natin si Herminia Magkale. Hi, Teacher Aubrey. I appreciate your kindness to share your talent, which is the gift from God. We learned a lot of things because of you. May the Lord bless you and your family. Thank you so much po sa ating avid learner and subscriber na si Herminia Magkale. And lastly, shout out natin si Global. Hello, Global. Sabi niya, kahit 37 na ako, hindi ako susuko. May plano ako makapunta sa Canada at Australia. Ayan, wala yan sa edad. Kahit anong edad mo, matututo at matututo ka. Kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout sa mga susunod nating videos, mag-comment lamang po kayo sa ating mga videos. Lastly, nais kong muling ipaalala sa inyo na anuman ang inyong mga edad, estado sa buhay o narating sa buhay, kung mayroon kayong mga pangarap, walang imposible basta lagi lamang pagsisikapan at pagsasanayan. See you on my next videos! Bye!